In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on the Mindbody website, a versatile platform connecting you with the best fitness, wellness, and spa experiences, or helping you manage your own business studio efficiently. Let's dive in and get you started quickly and easily. To begin this process, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. While I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial, you can choose any browser you're comfortable with. Once the browser is open, head over to the address bar. You can either type in or copy and paste the URL www.mindbodyonline.com. Once the website loads, you'll notice a button in the upper right-hand corner labeled either Sign Up or Create Account. Give that button a click. Now, Mindbody offers two distinct pathways depending on how you intend to use the platform. If you're aiming to book fitness classes, wellness treatments, or perhaps a spa day, you'll want to proceed as a client. Alternatively, if you're a business owner looking to manage your studio or services with ease, head down the business owner route. This is your moment to choose the path that best aligns with your needs. Having chosen your path, you'll be prompted to enter some personal information. Start by typing in your first and last name. Follow that up with your email address, which is crucial for all account-related communications. Next, create a strong password. It's important to strike a balance between security and memory, so consider using a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. These combinations typically enhance security. You're also welcome to provide your phone number. Although it's optional, it can be quite useful if you wish to receive booking reminders or any urgent communications. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, it's time to verify your email address. Navigate to your email inbox and search for a new message from Mindbody. This email will contain further instructions, including a verification link. Clicking this link is an essential step as it confirms your identity and activates your account. Now that your account is verified, let's move on to setting up your profile. Adding key details such as your location can enhance your experience by connecting you with nearby services. Ensure your time zone is set correctly, as this will align your bookings and scheduling with your local time, preventing any potential mix-ups. For those creating a business account, this is also the stage where you'll input your studio details, allowing you to fine-tune your management dashboard. And just like that, you've completed the setup process. You can now log into your Mindbody account anytime by visiting clients.mindbodyonline.com. Additionally, you have the convenience of managing either your bookings or business through the Mindbody app, which is readily available on both iOS and Android platforms. Whether you're eager to indulge in wellness experiences or efficiently run your services, Mindbody has got you covered.